G'day guys, we're back down here at my block in North Brizzy. As you can see, we've knocked it over, we've knocked down the house now, we've got rid of all of the asbestos, we've got rid of all of the beautiful fruit trees which suck but unfortunately weren't going to work with my plans. We've also got rid of all of the fencing as well and replaced it with a beautiful colorbond fence. Grey that my wife, who's an interior designer, went with is called Surf Mist. Next step at the moment is getting council approval, which is a pretty simple process up here at the moment with our builder organising that all for me over a couple of weeks. And then we'll get a slab down and we'll start the construction. So like I said, the plan for me was to take advantage of the current market. You know, during the coronavirus, there's been some really, really good bargains around. So this was one of them. Knocked her over and I'll build a beautiful 4-bedroom home with a 2-bedroom granny flat. I'll get some really strong tax depreciation benefits from that in the first 5 years, somewhere between 13 and 15 grand a year back at tax time from this one property. Should be able to rent the house out for at least $500 a week and the granny flat for at least 300 in the current market. Give me a nice total of $800 a week and just a really nice, stable, solid long-term asset that, you know, with that 40 grand a year of income, once I own it outright, however long that's going to take in the future, hopefully that becomes a passive income for life. So it just feels crazy. Like I was just saying to Simon, who's behind me off camera, how much better the site looks. Now, we'll link up to the video of the old 2-bedroom or 1-bedroom shack that was on the place. Anyone that saw me walk through that, it was just an absolute shitbox. And sometimes as investors, you know, when I first got started especially, I used to walk into places and I'd be so emotional about them, where now I could see that this could look like... Actually, I couldn't see that this block would look this good because there was all chain fences and it was all, you know, just stuff everywhere. And now seeing it, it's just a big, beautiful, long block, great orientation. It's going to have a huge backyard for the family and a small yard for the granny flat. I'm just super excited to see this project come to life and to share it with you guys as we go through it. Working with a local builder who I've built about 5 other houses with personally now, who's helped a heap of our clients build granny flats and homes up here. He should be able to knock this over before Christmas, over the next sort of 4 or 5 months, and then I'll be able to hopefully get a tenant in place, and from that point train up my property manager, set and forget it, and just, you know, hopefully longer term enjoy the passive income from it. So can't wait to walk you through in the future, and cheers for taking some time to have a look at how it looks today.